Hi everyone, Coach Aleem. The activity I'm going to show you today is called Hockey, Builders, and Bulldozers. In this activity, if you see, there's cones that are spread out. Some are going to be laying down, some are going to be standing up. Okay, you will need a hockey stick and any type of ball for dribbling in space. This activity requires you to be moving and dribbling the ball in space and cones that are spread out. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to demonstrate this activity. After I demonstrate this activity, I'm going to show you with students what it looks like in a large group setting. Okay, so I'm going to be dribbling the ball side to side, soft taps. When you get to a cone, if the cone is standing up, you can knock it down. Okay? Then you'll go to another cone, and when you get to that cone, if the cone is laying down, you're going to try to pick it up only using your stick. So you got to find different ways to try to stand it up while using the stick. You can do it where you have the kids or students go to 2 or 3 different cones, then go back to their group. You can have them do it continuously. You can do it in teams, or one team just knocking down, one team is building up. It's completely up to you. Once again, this activity is called Hockey, Builders, and Bulldozers. Give it a try and let me know what you think.